Dear students, do question number 4 yourself. It is just similar to the above question. Which of the following pairs of equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Consistent means unique solution or coincident solutions. But dear students, you have to make the graph only in case of unique solution, because you have to get the solution graphically. So 4 pair of equations are given to you. Just solve them. Find out the minimum three solutions for each equation, and first of all check that if the ratio is unique or for parallel lines or for coincident, then make the graph if the unique solution is there. Now let us start with question number 5. It's a statement question, so we'll move word by word. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length, dear students, comma is there. That means ये जो फर्स्ट लाइन है इसको पॉज कर देंगे यहाँ पर, फिर इसको कनेक्ट करेंगे हम नेक्स्ट कॉमा पर. ठीक है. हाफ द पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगुलर गार्डन, पॉज, इसको अब अलग रखेंगे. Whose length is 4 मीटर more than its width, ये लाइन अलग हो जाएगी, इससे अलग इक्वेशन मिलेगी. अगेन कॉमा means this comma is going to be connected with this comma. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meter. From here you will get the first equation. Whose length is 4 more than its width. From here you will get second equation. Find the dimensions of the garden. So let the dimensions of the garden be x and y, because the park is rectangular, so it must have length and breadth as its dimension. So let the length is x meter and breadth be y meter. So according to the question, if half of the perimeter is 36 meter, so from here we will make the first equation. Perimeter formula is half into L plus B is equal to 36 meter. So what is x? Half into 2 into L plus B, right? So 2 से 2 cancel हो जाएगा, and let us put value of L. L is x and breadth is y. So x plus y is equal to 36 meter. So this is your first equation. From here you will get the first equation. Now second condition is that length is 4 more than its width, means breadth. Means length x is 4, for more than write down plus, width is y. So this is your second equation. So I hope, dear students, both the equations are clear to you. Now we have to find out the dimensions. The solution must be unique, no need to check. So let us get minimum 3 solutions to this. I am solving 2, you must get minimum 3 solutions. So let us take y to other side, it will become x is equal to 36 minus y. So let us take first solution. If we'll take y is equal to 0, if we'll take y is equal to 0, what do you get? 36 minus 0 is 36. So x is equal to 36 minus 0, that is 36. So y is 0 and x is 36. Second, if y, let us take a round figure 20, then x is equal to 36 minus 20. What do you get? You will get 16. So y is 20, x is 16. So similarly, find out one more solution, right? Now let us solve for the second equation. Second equation is x plus y, x is equal to y plus 4. X length is 4 more than its breadth. तो इसके लिए भी solve कर लेते हैं. When we will take y is equal to 0, then x will be 4. When y is 0, 0 plus 4, x is 4. When we take y is equal to 10, so 10 plus 4, you will get 14. So just represent both the solutions on the sheet also. So when we have taken y is equal to 0, you got x is equal to 0 plus 4 as 4. And second value, when you have taken y is equal to 10, you got x is equal to 10 plus 4, that is 14. So in this way, dear students, you will get the boxes of solutions for two pair of equations. So let us plot them graphically to get length and breadth. So first is x 36, y 0. 0 is there, that means it lies on x-axis. X 36. So we are taking x-axis, on x-axis length, on y-axis breadth. So 36, we want x 36. So it will be somewhere, this is 35 and next to this. On the graph you will get the exact value. So this is 36. Then second is x 16, y 20. So x 16, where is x 16? This is 15 mid of this and next to this. And y 20. Here is y 20. So in this way you will get. Now use the scale to join the 2 points and you will get a straight line in this way. Right? Now for the second, x is 4, y is equal to 0. So again it will lie on x-axis, x 4. So here is, this is 0, this is 5 and 1 point before 5 is 0, 4. Then next x 14, y 10, x 14, this is 15 and this is 14, 14 and 10. So it will lie somewhere here. So in this way. Now join again using the scale, join these 2 points in this way. Dear students, now as I told you, to get the solutions, you have to focus on the intersecting point. Just start moving from intersecting points towards x-axis. You will get the length, that is 20 meter, and when you move towards y-axis, you will get the breadth, that is 16 meter. So this is length and this is breadth. Therefore we'll write, therefore length is equal to 20 meter and breadth is equal to 16 meter. So dear students, in this way you can get the solution of the given statement question. So I hope it is clear to all of you.